Magpie? Yeah, where's the crow?
Whoa.
Crow.
Pelican.
Pelican?
Pelican. Flamingo.
Owl. Owl.
Owl.
Owl.
Yay.
Owl.
Oh,
Owl.
what's
Owl.
this?
Owl.
What's that?
Owl.
Oh, yes, owl is your favorite. Yes, it is.
Pie.
Magpie. What's that? Do you remember that one?
Quack. Quack.
Crane. Yes, kingfisher. Good job.
Go.
Go. That's flamingo. I love it how he says this the last part.
Owl.
Owl. Oh, he loves owls. Looks like a kitty cat, doesn't it? He likes kitty cats too. Where are you going now? School is over.
That's cool. What is it?
Anytime you learn something is cool.
What's she saying? Is he trying to tickle you?
Aviv, tickle, tickle. You're so funny. Aviv, let's go change clothes. Aviv.
Hands are broken.
Joey pretending crazy things as always.